name is Isna and her name is Zaina.
My name is Isna and I am in 1C class. And why we're Z family? Because everyone starts with Z. Her name is Zaina and her name is Zisha. I have Ziva cousin and Xavier cousin. Welcome everybody. My name is Zaina and I'm studying in FS2C. And welcome to my Z family.
In our channel, we will do so much fun.
And my Hala, she will cook.
And we will do drawing and color. And we will go for rides.
And we will go to jumping.
And we will go to park and picnic. And we will go for shopping.
And we are gonna go for a mall.
We will do so much fun. Please watch our channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Please